And in this episode, we go back to step 2, fitting the engine. What I think I'm going to do is cut this piece all apart again and rotate these around so these are more upright, because I don't like the little extra bits added on the end. I'll put some packers under this motor to keep it where it is, because it's resting on this mount at the moment, and then we'll start cutting things apart again. I've said it before, 1mm cut-off discs after they've been finished with. Great for packers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7mm. 8mm is what was required. What do you reckon? Put these bars in here, extend the front a little bit, strengthen up this piece, and then just put 2 bolts in the bottom and bracket it off to this piece. Reckon that'll work? Good idea. Well, if you didn't get that, Shed Corgi was just agreeing that we should give that a go. So it'll be 2 bolts at the bottom. I'm going to put a bit more strength in this with this upright. I mean, that will be stronger once it's fully welded, because I've only got 3 tack welds at the moment holding this whole center console in. So put that piece in, strengthen that up, then have the 2 bars coming up like before, then just bring crossbar in and bolt into this. That should work. So that's what we're doing. Right, Shed Corgi, out of the shed, because I've got to do some welding. I'm just going to put a tack on these brackets so they don't keep moving, because it's making it hard to line things up. Remember, never put a tack where you can't get a grinder. Oh! Burnt it again. It's not as solid as I'd like. That's a lot more solid now. Alright. I'm going to leave the engine mount like that. Well, that's about all I've got time for today, because there was so much head scratching involved with this, trying to work out how to actually make it work with what material I had left. So it is what it is. I can come back and modify anything 3 or 4 times, but I'm fairly happy with the placement and the rigidity of it now. So next thing, moving back, might try and do the pedals tomorrow. Anyway, as always, customize everything.